We purchased the Dynasty Harmony BEF 57-inch electric fireplace through Modern Blaze, and we love it. We had a great experience with Modern Blaze. They have competitive pricing, free shipping, helpful resources on their website, including video reviews, and excellent communication after purchase. The Dynasty Harmony checked all of the boxes that we were looking for in an electric fireplace. It comes fully assembled, easily plugs into an outlet, is fully recessed with a minimal finish trim, comes with a remote, log, and crystal media options, and most important, what we feel provides the most realistic looking flame effects. We prefer a traditional fireplace look, and we're very impressed with the quality and variety of sizes of the log set. It also comes with clear and dark small crystals and large clear crystals to use in place of the logs for a more contemporary look. The remote is very easy to use, and manual controls are hidden at the top right corner of the fireplace. This is the beautiful fire of the Dynasty Harmony, although videos and pictures can't fully capture how realistic the fire looks in person. The side view of the fireplace shows the Dynasty Harmony's reflective background that gives the illusion of the fire in the middle of the logs. There are 4 different flame effects as well as 13 fuel bed colors. When the fire bed is on, the small dark and clear crystals give the appearance of real glowing embers. The Dynasty Harmony has a heater that's thermostat controlled and can be set to run without heat so you can enjoy the fireplace year-round. Here's the front view of the fireplace with a variety of flame effects and bed colors. Modern Blaze and the Dynasty Harmony fireplace exceeded our expectations. We never knew an electric fireplace could look so real, and we are so happy with our Dynasty Harmony fireplace from Modern Blaze.